Hello friends, welcome back to this video. Don't you think it's wonderful to be making art? I sure do! For this first project we're going to be making a wonderful coloured Ferris wheel that actually even spins. All you have to do really is follow the instructions in this video and let us know if you actually make the Ferris wheel. Didn't that look wonderful? Next one is really quite easy, it's just a simple clown, and for this you're going to need some of the clay. All you have to do is finger paint the clay and make sure that it has the indent in order to make the clown's clown hat. And if you want, you can go ahead and add a bright red smile to that. Look at how wonderfully that turned out. Creativity really has no limits. You can take a paper cup and make that into art. You can take anything and make it into art. But most importantly, you can take everything in this video and make it into art, because it is just that easy to make art in everything that we are depicting. For this one, you're going to be making a cute little rainbow snail, and look at how adorable that looks. This next one, you're going to be making bunnies straight out of tissue paper and a little bit of eyeshadow. Can you believe that? All you need is tissue paper, a rubber band, maybe a marker, and eyeshadow, and how wonderfully that had turned out. This next one is really quite easy to make, but it is a little complicated in terms of using scissors. If you're not familiar with using scissors, please do not attempt this. Be careful while using scissors. This can be used for stencils, for other arts and craft projects, and it's just so adorable to make. Now this next one is really quite easy, and if you're looking for an easy way to make a little princess's dress, all you have to do is take some paint and use it as finger paint, because it honestly gives us such a gorgeous effect. For this next one, you're going to be making semi 3D flowers, and for that you honestly just need sheets of paper and a little tactics on how you fold it. Look at how wonderfully that all tacks on. It's not even hard to make, it doesn't even take a lot of time, and once you've mastered it, you won't even need to look at this video. It's such a pretty set of flowers, don't you think? Comment down below. Now this next one is really quite easy to make, and it's a cute little play toy to make when you're really bored. All you need is a sheet of paper to entertain you. You need to fold it exactly like how the video shows you, and you can go ahead and use any color that you want for it. It's not even hard to make, it doesn't even take a lot of time, and once you've mastered it, you won't even need to look at this video in order to make it. And the surprising thing about this is that you can actually play with this sheet of paper that is folded. You can go ahead and spin it on the ground and look at how entertainingly it falls. This next one, you're going to be making a semi 3D set of bouquet flowers. So for this, you're just going to need a bunch of clay and a sheet of paper to make the bouquet. Doesn't that look amazing? This next one, you're going to be making a semi 3D model out of clay for flowers. Doesn't that look amazing? All you really need is a bunch of clay in a different color. Doesn't that look amazing? Comment down below. Now this next one is really just a colorful way to entertain yourself, and all you need is colorful strips of paper. All you have to do next is follow the instructions in this video and look at how cutely it turns out. Moving on to something that is honestly quite adorable for science projects, where you can depict the germination of a plant. It is such a versatile project, don't you think so? Comment down below. For today's final project, you're going to be needing transparent acrylics and a bunch of dried flowers. All you have to do is press them in and put those acrylics on top like a bell jar. Comment down below if you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.